Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and that's Ben. Say hey, Ben. All right, Ben. So today we are, Ben, I chopped up some. We're chopping sugar cane because today I'm going to make some molasses from my sugar cane. So we're gonna chop maybe about 10 of these stalks of sugar cane. So we're gonna chop them up into small pieces. I'm going to clean them really well with vinegar and some baking soda to make sure that they are clean before I begin the boil. Now I'm going to boil them in my water bath can or pot. Now I also have a gumbo pot, but I don't think I'm gonna use that much, right? But I'm gonna use my water bath can or pot, and I'm going to begin the process of making molasses from my sugar cane. Now, what I do is there's only 2 ingredients that I use to make molasses from my sugar cane, and that is sugar cane and water. That is it. That is all. Yeah. But I will bring you all with me through the process of me making this sugar cane today. It is a long process because, this molasses take a long time in cooking, just to let it cook down to get all the sweetness out of this sugar cane. But I'm going to share it with you all, okay? All right, family. Let's get on with it. Ben, you ready? He said, yeah. Today, also, I'm going to plant out my little moringa tree, right? So someone asked, of course, the moringa that I pulled up to see her seeds, they say, she's gonna die. No, baby. Plants are resilient, especially a moringa tree. But plants are resilient, don't be afraid of them. But I'm gonna plant out, this is mine. And these 2 I'm gonna give away. Now, there's 2 over here that have not germinated yet. And I'm just waiting on them. But whenever you plant out your seedlings from your cups, plant them out on a cloudy day or wait until the evening when the sun has lost her punch. That will just help your plants not go through so much plant shock, right? Yeah, so I will not be planting them out until late this evening. And right now, it's in the morning, baby. It's before noon. So we're going to do that later on today. And some tomatoes too. Yeah. All right, everybody. So I got the sugar cane inside. And now this is just white vinegar and baking soda. Yeah. And this is just to clean the sugar cane. I want it really, really clean. So I'm going to use this whole box here. That's cool. Like, see all this? Yeah, that have to come off. But I'm going to let it soak for a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and clean it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to clean it with. Give me a second. So this is just a new scrub, like a pot scraper, but it's plastic. I'm trying to get it out with my hand. Alright, and I just bought that from Dollar Tree. And then what I do with this is I just clean them with this. But, of course, I will be holding it, right? And it'll come off really, really, really easy when I let them soak for a little bit. So we're going to do that. I'm gonna let it soak for a little bit, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna share with you the cleaning process of the sugar cane. All right, so the sugar cane has been soaking for about an hour. My hand is wet and it's hard to get in this glove. Ugh. But anyway, so I have two kinds of brushes. I have this one, which is just a fruit brush, and my fave. And now I'm just going to clean off all of the outside off of these sugar canes that been cut up for me. And you see where I just put a whole bottle of vinegar and an entire box of baking soda. That's the only two things I put in here, right? And now I'm just scrubbing them off and getting them as clean as possible, right? Just as long as most of the, the gooky part is off. We want that off. Yeah. Anything that can move, we want it off. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna scrub them one by one, just like this. And I will be back with you all with the next step, okay? Because seriously, you don't need to see me scrub all these things, right? Do you? No, I don't think so, right? Anyway, I'll be back. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, so this is my water bath canner pot, and there they are, and they are on. So it's just water, sugar cane, and now she boils. Yeah. So let me share this with you all. If you ever decide to make molasses from sugar cane, I want you all to see this. Oh, sorry about that. That film, right? This is it right here. It's all over this spoon. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay, that's it right there. So, and here's more I have put in this bowl. And what it is wax. It's a natural wax that sugarcane has on it naturally. So if you ever boil your sugarcane like I'm doing here to make molasses or anything, you will find that natural wax on that sugarcane. Now, the wax of sugar cane is edible and is used in so many products, right? So what I tell you to do is Google it, baby. Google it and learn about it. It is a natural wax that is on sugar cane, okay? Go read about it. But I take it off here, okay? So as I make my molasses in the house, this is the sugar cane I still have left from last season. Now, I've had about 3 of my neighbors want some of this sugar cane. About 4 of them have already came and took about 5 or 6 of these sugar canes, and that's fine. I told them they can have as many as they want, right? So I have 3 more people that is left. My niece came and got her some. 3 more people say they want them. Now, by Friday, if they have not came and picked up their sugar cane, Benny and I are going to put this sugar cane in my car, and they are all going down to Mr. George, and I'm just giving them to Mr. George. And if he want to sell them in his store, that's fine with me. And no, I don't want any of the proceeds. That it's for him. I'm giving him this sugar cane because, as you can see, my sugar cane is growing back. I have another batch over there behind the roses, right? Hey Ben, how you doing? You good? The eclipse is going on right now, yeah. You know? Oh, okay. Cool. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna bring it all to Mr. George and let him sell it in his shop or whatever he want to do with it. It's so cool with me. But yeah, this is the remaining of the sugar cane. All right. But anyway, let me go and check the sugar cane that's in the pot, baby, because we making that molasses. Yeah. So I have refilled my pot 4 times. And every time the water boils down, I fill it up. I did that 4 times. And now I'm going to take all the sugar cane out. I'm going to take that out of this pot. And I'm going to put this juice in this pot. All right? Let me do that. Okay, y'all. Now, this is all of the goodness out of these sugar canes, right? So I have sugar cane all over in the sinks. I'm just gonna let them cool off, and I'm gonna put most of them, you know, in the super juice. So I know many of you are saying, well, the color is not right. This is where all the magic happens. All of the sugar is going to become concentrated. So when the water boils out of this, that's when you see the sweetness and the color will change on its own. I promise you, I'm putting nothing in this. Nothing. It's just going to boil. Just taste it. It's a little sweet, but not sweet. It still have a lot of water in it. So, boiling process, here we go. Because the first boil was just to get all of the sugar out of the sugar cane. But now, it's in the water. Let's go. So this is where we are now. It's boiling. But anytime you are boiling or cooking anything and you see this white foam, what that means is there is water present. There is water. And so now it just have to cook out. It just need to boil down. It's going to boil all the way down to this concentrate, right? So I will come back and let you see it, okay? But yeah, she's on her way now, y'all. So I do have on my exhaust fan, but I turn it off when, you know, I'm recording for you all. So as I was talking about this skim that is on the water, I like to just kind of take it off. Yeah, I just come in periodically and just take it off because I don't like it. I don't like it. But every now and then I come and take more off. But she's boiling away, baby. She's boiling away. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, you all see that? Yeah. And there she is. Let's see. There it is. That is my molasses from my sugar cane. Now you may say, oh, that's so little. Well, yeah, that wasn't a lot of sugar cane either. It's just looked like it because it was cut up, but this is it. So, wait a minute. So, 1 second. Let's see. So, my grandkids just left the house. I wish they were here so they can taste it, but this is my molasses. Unbelievable. What I find fascinating about this molasses is not only that it's molasses and it smells. So if you're from New Orleans and in my area, there was this molasses in a yellow can. I'm thinking it's called Stein or Steen. That's the molasses I grew up with. And this is the smell and taste of that molasses. Yeah. Awesome, y'all. Awesome. So now I'm just gonna let it cool off. I'm gonna sit here, let it sit here and let it cool off. But there she goes. There she blows. The molasses, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. It was a long day.